So build-ups, generally we have some sort, especially in EDM, we have some sort of kick going pop, 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 pop. So we want some more live and organic feel, and sometimes playing with velocity can be like a problem, especially because if you enable velocity while using kick drum on a sampler, can create some sort of problems, especially when you have to level them accordingly. So I have this other trick, and I just create a second layer. I called it double kick, and so let's listen to the build up first. Okay, we have this softer kick that is doubling the pace. So let's listen to how it would sound like this. So you can tell how less expressive it is. So I just have this double kick thing, and it's basically the same kick. I just lowered the volume by 3 dB, used a gate to make it like tighter. And then I use the phaser flanger just to make a cut in the low mids to make it like a bit different frequency wise. And that's it. We have two different kicks, and we are sort of emulating the drummer. It's EDM, we don't really have a drummer, but we are emulating the drummer hitting the second kick a bit softer and giving some more groove to the whole thing. So really simple, highly recommend it, and that's it for this video. See you in the next one.